Dr. Gregory Buford, board-certified plastic surgeon, published author of Eat, Drink, Heal, and Beauty in the Business, as well as an internationally recognized facial injectables trainer, consultant, and speaker. I'm excited to participate with Empire Medical Training to provide you, the medical professional, top-level training in a variety of procedures that will help maximize the patient experience in teaching you how to use facial injectables safely, properly, and effectively.
Hey there, it's Dr. Alan Bauman from Bauman Medical Hair Transplant and Hair Loss Treatment Center right here in Boca Raton. And I just wanted to say it's been an honor and a pleasure to work with Empire Medical Training for so many years. So one of the great things about Empire Medical Training is that it's so comprehensive. You know, anything you might want to do to help your patients look good, feel great, they've got you covered.
I'm the medical director of Ageless MD here in Orange County in Southern California. I'm also one of the KOLs for Empire Medical Training. I specialize in all non-invasive cosmetic surgery procedures, and I'm also one of the top 1% of allergan injectors in the entire country, a presidential level Galderma injector as well, and I use all the different variety of toxins and fillers in the market. Now, with Empire Medical Training, they offer courses from very beginning to all the way to advanced level classes, as well as the cadaver classes. Let me emphasize that I actually attend one cadaver dissection course every single year, and I plan to do so every year until I'm done with my career, because it makes you focus and practice your injection techniques in a safe fashion. You get to go deep dive underneath what you just see on the surface of the skin and go underneath into the subcutaneous, the fat, the muscle, and down to the bone, see three-dimensionally what you're injecting.
I'm Dr. Azza Halim, a board-certified anesthesiologist, multi-specialty trained in aesthetics, anti-aging, functional, and regenerative medicine, amongst other things, trained at Northwestern University in Chicago. I work at Sanctuary Medical Center, which is one of the busiest practices in the country, alongside some of the top professionals and top plastic surgeons in the country. I have basically taken a lot of pride in the experience that I have gained over the years, and I share my knowledge as the Chief Clinical Instructor and Director for Empire Medical Training as an expert in PDO threads nationally and internationally, along with neurotoxins, fillers, and lasers.
Hi, this is Dr. Shino Bay Aguilera from Shino Bay Cosmetic Dermatology. I've been part of Empire Medical for the last few years now, and one thing that I love about Empire Medical is that they go above and beyond to make sure that their trainees get the best education possible when it comes to aesthetic procedures. My role in Empire Medical is to make sure that every single trainee learns the best practice in aesthetic medicine so no patient get harmed.
In this cadaver dissection course, which is a full-day cadaver dissection course, you'll see the anatomy, and probably most of you haven't seen this since anatomy class in medical school, but what it does is it will give you a totally different look at your techniques, because we're going to go through the anatomy layer by layer, vessel by vessel, nerve by nerve.
You know, being a faculty member for Empire Medical is fantastic. Not only am I with other like-minded individuals who love to teach and learn, but we're with a huge group of students who are so motivated to learn everything there is to know about aesthetic medicine. And of course, my specialty, hair restoration, is a super exciting field. Things are changing so fast and so furiously that it's important to keep up with everything that you can do in your own practice.
The key thing to using facial injectables is to know how to use the injectables, where to use them, and why to use what in what location. One of the big values is live injection trainings, as well as demos of lasers and other procedures.
For those of you who are currently not satisfied with the current way you're practicing medicine, and deep down in your mind you've always thought that you could go into aesthetics and do this kind of thing, you may want to consider taking these classes to get started, and then furthering your career by maintaining with the workshops and the advanced classes, continue your education. Or if you already have an established practice, whether it be OBGYN, family practice, or internal medicine, and you want to expand and start including these non-invasive anti-aging procedures, Empire is for you as well.
Experience Empire Medical Training as far as the various courses and programs that they offer, which include everything from basic level to advanced to preceptorships to private trainings and state-of-the-art facilities nationwide all over the country. We do everything from botulinum toxins to fillers to lasers trainings to cosmetic lasers, facial aesthetics, pain management, and so forth. We work with some of the top KOLs, which are keynote opinion leaders in the country.
One of my favorite parts to do for Empire Medical is to teach our trainees to get their own artistic eye. It's very important to develop an artistic eye because this is art. And I make sure that not only I teach safety techniques, but I also show them how to develop their own artistic eye.
Go over the fat compartments and the spaces of the upper head and forehead, mid-face, lower face, and neck, and show you the danger areas, what to avoid, where to really focus on to get the best results for your patient.
So the key is constant learning, and that's how you're going to establish and differentiate yourself from everyone else that's out there. And if I can do it, you can too.
And you know, it's not a one-step process. It's going to be a journey that you're going to take over time. So stick with Empire Medical Training, and I'll see you at the next conference.
Our goal is to provide top-level training to help you optimize the patient experience and maximize patient outcomes. I look forward to seeing you. Come join us.